So today we're doing a bloom again, and it's been a long while, and I'm not sure about my recipe, so I'm doing it on a first little small canvas. I put the push pins on the back. I sprayed the back with water so it's stretched and can sink to the middle. We have a pearl white of Amsterdam. Consistency is like this, like really thick. Paints gray of Amsterdam. Deco art, 24 karat gold. Deco art in Paris gold and tons of golden mica pigments. And that is some brown of Amsterdam. Consistency is always the same. It's really like thick, like pudding. My cell activator is Amsterdam, titanium white, and Australian floetrol, and a little swips of overtrol. Consistency is thinner than the paints, and the thickest is my base coat. That's latex house paint mixed with a Baufan latex binder. This never makes me crack my paints actually, but it's the thickest. So I have no idea how it goes, so let's just see and paint. So guess what? The video didn't record. I probably tapped my iPhone like 2 times and it didn't record the whole process of doing the bloom. So it was a really nice process actually. So have mercy with me on this one. I'm showing you still the end result because it looks beautiful, and I will promise you to do in one of the next videos, of course, the whole process. So have mercy with me, enjoy the end result. Leave a like, leave a comment, a pity like or so is also welcome. Awesome. That whole thing didn't record, and I think that's a really cool bloom. So that's what I'm having now, and I'm gonna spin it out now. I hate that the camera gave up on it. So what I did, I was doing literally just putting the cell activator in the middle, blowing it all the ways kind of around, but also blowing the pouring paints on the base coat inside it, and then also used a drag and swipes and did here and there some blowing, added some composition, some negative space. So let's just spin it out now and see what happens. I think it looks awesome. So a really cool one. I'll give you a close-up. So this is my bloom. And I love how it turned out. So much detail, organic texture, details. Love it. So much for the eye, but added also some negative space. Yeah, I hope the next one is recording, but I'm definitely posting this one anyway because it turned out so cool. Yeah, leave a like, please. A pity like.